An Anna's hummingbird spreads its wings and flies toward a golden hibiscus, flapping its wings over 50 times per second. It hovers in midair with the precision of a helicopter. The Anna's hummingbird. Scientific name Calypti anna. Is the most common hummingbird along the west coast of North America. The iridescent gorget of the male displays a brilliant magenta hue in the sunlight. This is a violet-bellied hummingbird. Its long black tail feathers droop slightly on a twig so slender it can barely support the bird's weight. The violet, in the violet-bellied hummingbird's name, will only truly show on its belly once it acquires its adult plumage. This is the Allen's hummingbird, small in stature but fiery in temper. Its migration route extends all the way to Alaska, making it a long-distance traveler among hummingbirds. Under the blue sky, the Allen's hummingbird perches quietly at the tip of a branch. A spark of fiery orange-red flashes across its throat, like a small light accidentally turned on. This is the Mexican Violetear. It was once classified as the same species as the lesser Violetear, until taxonomists split them into two based on plumage color and distribution. This is the lesser Violetear, commonly found along forest edges and in gardens of the Andes Mountains, making it a frequent visitor to the South American highlands. This glittering green hummingbird is wrapped in emerald green like a sequined coat, remaining low-key yet sparkling amidst the dappled shade, with an inky black tail and a plump, sturdy build. This is the typical grounded physique of the emerald-chinned hummingbird, or green gem hummingbird, setting it apart from other delicate hummingbird species. The Rufous Hummingbird. Scientific name Selasphorus rufus, ranges from Alaska to Panama. They are known for their rust-colored backs and orange gorget throat patch. This sparkling violet-ear hummingbird, or sparkling gorget hummingbird, is focused on sipping nectar from a red kaliandra flower. The male's throat feathers shift from purplish red to green depending on the angle. The ruby-throated hummingbird. Scientific name Archilochus colobris. Is the most common hummingbird in northeastern North America. The red throat patch on the male's chest looks like a jewel bow tie. This is a female ruby-throated hummingbird. Her throat is plain white, lacking the male's jewel red patch. Yet she possesses an understated elegance. A violet-ear hummingbird dances among purple blossoms. Its head is covered with shimmering violet-blue ear coverts, making it a true gem of the Central American rainforests. The ruby-throated hummingbird measures only 10 centimeters long and weighs less than 3 grams. To survive, it must consume its body weight in nectar every day. This is not a hummingbird, but a hummingbird Hawk-Moth, a species of moth with a remarkably similar appearance. They independently evolved similar flying capabilities. serving as a classic example of convergent evolution. This is a Costa's hummingbird, which inhabits dry desert scrublands, and is one of the few hummingbird species capable of surviving in extreme heat. The Costa's hummingbird's purple throat feathers resemble a lit neon sign, radiating strands of light that shift with the angle, turning dark one moment and vivid purple the next. A bright red bill tipped with ink black is the most recognizable signature feature of the rufous-tailed hummingbird. The rufous-tailed hummingbird, as the sunlight hits at an angle. The emerald green on its back and the reddish-brown of its tail feathers illuminate each other like a coat forged from two distinct gemstones. This is a broad-tailed hummingbird. While males produce a metallic trill with their wings during flight, this one perches quietly, leaving only the subtle sound of wind passing through its feathers.